Let's start with the reality. HR teams are under pressure, fewer people, bigger expectations, and an inbox that looks like it's trying to win a Guinness World Record. The challenge? Deliver more with less and do it without burning out or living in spreadsheets. The solution? Strategic tech adoption that amplifies your capabilities, not just adds more tools to juggle. Small teams aren't the problem, they're the superpower. The trick is to stop duct taping processes together and start using tech that actually helps. That's what this is about. Not everything deserves your attention, you know this. But sometimes it feels like everything is marked urgent, and including that request for a new starter checklist at 4:59 p.m. on a Friday. So here's the hierarchy. Start with strategic priorities. Focus on what's critical to the business. Use data to guide you. Gut feel is great. Dashboards are better, and think ROI. Engagement isn't just a vibe, it's linked to a 21% lift in profitability when resources are scarce, and they always are. Prioritization isn't optional, it's survival. Nobody got into HR to chase timesheets or manually approve holiday requests from 2007. Automation isn't just about saving time, it's about sanity. Automate onboarding, let the welcome email write itself, automate absence tracking. Say goodbye to the "how many days do I have left" conversations, automate performance check-ins, streamline the process without dumbing it down. These aren't luxuries, they're essentials for lean teams. You're not trying to replace people, you're freeing them up to do actual human work. Digital transformation doesn't mean pressing a big red button that says "Go Agile." It means starting small, testing, tweaking, repeating, pilot in low-risk areas, gather honest feedback, refine your approach, then and only then scale what works. The beauty of lean teams is agility. You don't need a steering committee to change direction. You test something on Tuesday and fix it by Friday. Use that speed to your advantage. Now, let's talk numbers, because if you want buy-in, you need more than passion. You need proof. 30% reduction in time to hire with the right recruitment tech. 20% drop in regrettable turnover with performance tools. 40% time savings from automating admin. This is the kind of data that turns nice to have into when can we start. Speak leadership's language, ROI. Translate HR wins into business outcomes. That's how you get budget. And keep it. Here's what happens when you stop guessing and start measuring. Admin hours drop, hiring speeds up, engagement goes up, self-service explodes. Before tech, you're playing whack-a-mole. After tech, you've got a system. And no, dashboards don't kill gut instinct, they sharpen it. Metrics don't lie, so if your HR story needs a plot twist, start with the data. Don't try to transform everything at once. That's how you end up with 12 systems, 7 passwords, and one very annoyed payroll person. Start with one pain point, solve it brilliantly, prove it works, then scale up methodically. Transformation isn't a leap, it's a ladder. Start at the bottom, prove value at each step, and build trust as you go. Let's kill a myth. Being lean does not mean being underpowered. Lean is about leverage. You don't need a 30-person team and a NASA budget to get results. What you need is this smart tools, sharp insights, systems that do the heavy lifting. The future of HR is digital, data-informed, and far less reliant on color-coded spreadsheets held together by hope. Being lean isn't stretching thin. It's making every move count. So here's the takeaway. If you're a lean HR team, good, you're built for speed. Add the right tech, focus on what matters, automate the noise, and let the data do the talking. Small team, big impact, fewer spreadsheets. Let's get to work.